Welcome, today I am with Vivo V21 5G and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So the first I will talk about the modes that we have here, and after that I will move to the best features that you can find in the settings. So as I said before, we have to go at the first to the modes, and in the photo mode we can adjust brightness level manually. So take a look, when you click on the screen we got this sun icon and we can decrease or increase brightness level, so we can make it without using this Pro mode. That's a very useful option. When you tap right here, we are also able to change lenses, so we can switch between super macro, bokeh and the super wide angle. Let's go for the normal one. When you tap right here, you are able to quickly change color and the temperature on your photos. It works like the external application with filters. I hope that you can see the difference right now. There's a lot of things that we can apply here. We get also the portrait light effect, but it only works when someone is in front of you. In the video mode we can make the same, so we can change lenses and adjust brightness level and also activate or deactivate these filters. And we can quickly increase image stabilization by enable this super anti-shake mode. So that's a very useful option. In the more modes, we can find the Pro mode, where we can adjust few options like ISO, shutter speed, white balance, AF and the EV. If you don't know how to use this mode, we got another video about only this mode, so we can check it on our YouTube channel. In the more modes we can also find the high resolution mode, so take a look right now. It's 64 megapixel and I will show you the difference. So I'm going to take photo of this gamepad with this 64 megapixel mode and then without this mode. Okay, so this one was taken without this high pixel mode. It looks like that. Not bad, right? Take a look right now on the 64 megapixel. We got definitely more details. So if you want to spot more details on your photo, just go for that 64 megapixel mode, because it's very useful when you are looking for this solution. Right here we got also AR stickers. So take a look. Of course you have to use it on the person, so I'm going to switch to the front camera. And as you can see, we got these cool stickers that we can apply on our photos. There's a lot of them. We can also download the external stickers. Okay, maybe I will take photo with this one. And take a look. That's how it looks in the gallery. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one. In the more modes you can also find the double exposure mode. Let me switch to the rear camera and take a look. We can pick style. We can go for these flowers. We can adjust strength of this filter. And we can take photo like that, for example. And it looks basically just like that. So we got two pictures in the one. Of course, you are able to change the background right here. So we can take a photo like that. So yeah, that's how it looks. I don't know what to say about that. It looks funny a little bit, but maybe it will be useful for some of you. And here we can find also a lot of basic modes like slow motion, time-lapse, live photo or the panorama mode, but I'm not going to talk about that because there's a very obvious option. And right now I will move to the settings, where we can, for example, add the timer to the photos. So we can go for the 3, 5 or 10 seconds, and take a look right now. When I press on the shutter, after 3 seconds the photo will be taken. Let's turn it off. We can also add this grid lines to the screen. So right now they will appear right here, and we are able to make better composition right now with our photos with this help grid line. So I would like to put this mouse in the middle, and with these lines I'm able to make it definitely easier. Let's take a look on the settings one more time. We can also find here the shutter, the voice shutter, so we can use our voice to take photos, so we have to say cheese. We can also show the palm of our hand and touch screen to take photo. Take a look. Let's test all of these options. So let's say cheese, cheese. Right now we can show also this method, so when you cannot reach your shutter like that, you can just touch on the screen and the photo will be taken. And the last option, you can show palm of your hand and photo will be also taken. Okay, let's turn off these options. And as you can see, we got also here the watermark, so we can add the timestamp on the photos, the model watermark, and also we can customize our own. And take a look how it works. I'm going to take photo, for example, like this one, and on the left corner we can find model of our smartphone, date and timestamp, and our custom signature. So I think that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.